What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Joey Max back with a banger. I know this is not what you guys wanted to see with my Nissan 370Z, but this is the video you guys are getting this week, I guess. As you guys know, I just got my Nissan 370Z tuned. You guys saw that in the last video, and she made a good 350 wheel horsepower, but I was having a little fun, and I spun a corner, and I went from 1-2, and I lost second gear. Second gear became a neutral. So I'm gonna be pulling this transmission. I'm pretty sure my shift fork for second gear broke. That's what I'm kind of going with basically what I'm having it do. So I'm gonna be pulling the transmission out, and I sent Ross, as you guys are gonna see in these clips.
7:59 a.m.
What, boys? Going back on our banger. I just got the trans. As you can see, got it loaded up. Hand loaded up, because you know, boy's strong as fuck. But yeah, got the trans loaded up, everything checked out. You know, I gave it a little bit of a, you know, I gave it a look over. I had to make sure my boy wasn't getting scammed. But yeah, so you'll probably see the camera again, or I'll probably be back on the camera again once I see Joey and we deliver the trans to Joey. But yeah, drove down here to about an hour away, pick up the trans because Joey blew second gear in his Z, so gonna need new trans. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. We're gonna swap this thing today. Quick little hour and a half. But yeah, Joey will probably be back on the camera. What up, bro? Hey, bro.
Oh, wait.
Say hey, bro.
Hey, well. And as you guys saw in those clips, Ross went ahead and picked me up a transmission while I was at work today. Thanks to Ross. Big shout out to Ross, Factory Ross. You already know what it is. And yeah, so we're gonna get this transmission out. It's currently, let me go in the shade for you guys. It's currently 3:22, and I think I'm gonna have this transmission out, I wanna say 25 minutes. So you guys already know what it is. Oh shit, start that shit.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. You guys already know, at the end of this video, we are gonna test this transmission and make sure this bitch works. And that's gonna be, you guys already know. And here is our transmission. All right, guys, this bitch is ready to come out. So I think we're at like 20 minutes, but his camera or his stopwatch didn't stop.
We'll run a timer for how quick for getting new transmission in.
Yeah, that should be even quicker. So.
But yeah, want to tell them what all we had to remove?
This is a lot easier because I had the signal legs in a white pipe, and I literally, all I had to do is take the drive shaft, and Ross snuck it through there, and then I popped my shifter off, got my bell housing bolts all off, my starter out of the way, and now we're just popping her off. So
depending on your exhaust, you might be able to get the drive shaft out without removing it. Thankfully, we were. And then the rest of the little shit, like he just mentioned. And now we're ready to come out. So I think we're gonna drop the trans on the creeper and roll that bitch out of here. But we'll get back with you guys in a second.
Let's go up some with your back. Swap the shifter over, shift the bracket over, and she don't move. This didn't move either when there was nothing on it. Alright boys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Hope you like, comment, subscribe. And that's how you change a transmission in a Nissan 370Z. Yeah. As you guys see, I got fucked. Got fucked on Marketplace, swapped the shifter over, and the trans doesn't go into gear. So that's gonna wrap this video up. That's why it's gonna be cut short, and that's it. It is what it is. We got my Z broken, we got my 240 broken, and we got my Maxima broken. So, game over in the chat. Like, comment, subscribe. This is going to be part 1 of installing a transmission in my Nissan 370Z, because I guess we're going to have to do a part 2 since I got fucked on Marketplace. I'm not going to lie, about time someone got their get back on me. I don't fuck people that bad, you know, selling broken shit, but I'm just a lowball guy. So, it is what it is. No wonder a $450 transmission was too good to be true. But you live and you learn. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Got anything to say, bro?
I'm upset too. Bye, Will.